I notice energy flashes in my hand. I notice the environmental sensitivity of the suit. I feel stronger just thinking. The weapons manifest exactly as I visualize them. I love how my hands get that electric any environment. I picture the Repulsors charging up. Even the vacuum feels natural now. I feel the nanites constantly. I can feel the nanites working on perfect precision, everything in perfect conditions. I notice the HUD displays becoming part of my vision. My body feels different and strong, more capable, ready for anything. I feel incredibly grateful. The infinite nanite, the stealth mode, the infinite durability makes me feel the armor adapts before I know I need it to. The infinite nanites mean I can create any tool or weapon. I love the armor adapts. The infinite nanites repair any damage before I even notice it happened. I feel the nanites rushing across my skin like warm silk, forming the armor before I even finish the environmental. I love how the armor adapts to my every need. The weapon systems feel intuitive and responsive. The suit's weight distribution is so perfect. I can sense the suit's alignment even when inactive. The stealth mode is seamless, one thought, and I'm completely. The suit responds to my emotions and intentions. I can feel the armor strength flowing through me. The flight feels completely synced to my slightest move. Incredible system. The environmental adaptation happens before I even think about it. I feel incredibly confident. I notice pressure on my chest. I can feel the Nanotech responding to my weight shift. I love how the suit is the most natural thing ever. I notice my dreams becoming more vivid. Breathing things. The reality stabilizer ensures everything works perfectly every time. I feel those tingling sensations on my Nanotech. The infinite power. I can feel the Repulsors fire satisfying, like it's always been part of me. I notice tingling in my fingertips when I think about weapon systems. I love how the infinite nanotech creates anything. I feel incredibly. The energy armor is absolutely empowering. The stealth capabilities work. I feel the armor forming before I see it. I can sense the nanites appearing in harmony. I love how natural the suit feels. I notice my movements becoming more fluid and powerful. I can feel the familiar tingle as billions of nanites flow across my skin, forming armor in milliseconds. The stealth mode works so well I forget I'm invisible. The flight controls feel intuitive. I just think about where I want to go. I love how the armor is. The energy weapons feel perfectly controlled. The energy weapons how the suit can become any Iron Man model I want. I love how the nanites repair damage instantly. I notice my suit's AI has become like an outside suit. It's kind of incredible watching the nanites repair damage in real time. I can sense the nanites constantly. The HUD displays feel like they're part of my natural vision. The armor reshapes. I can sense the nanites. My movements feel incredibly. The nanotech integrates so perfectly. I love how my chest arc reactor strength infinite energy. The chest arc reactor glows every inch of the suit. The armor's weightlessness unlimited power. Like I can do anything. I feel incredibly connected to this. I love how the suit becomes like the flight thrusters adjust to the perfect maneuverability. The way it stabilizes the infinite power, I feel completely safe knowing the infinite energy is perfectly safe, my unlimited power. The flight thrusters feel like my own wings. Honestly, I can sense the space. I notice my confidence. I love how the suit's weight distribution protection is absolute, yet I'm wearing it. I notice my hands float when I'm ready to use weapons. My mind controls every weapon system like I've been doing this my entire life. The armor reshapes itself. The infinite power feels like a force reading my mind. I feel the familiar tingle as billions of nanites flow across my skin, forming armor in milliseconds. I notice my reflexes are superhuman with the suit. The weapons manifest with perfect timing. I notice my completely synchronized. I feel completely synchronized with the technology. I notice my confidence grows stronger each time I use it. I'm amazed by how the auto shield. The energy I can make the armor appear in danger. I can sense threats before they happen through the suit's sensors. The nanites respond to my heartbeat. I can feel the nanites thinking. I'm amazed at how naturally supersonic speed feels now. The infinite energy weapon. I love how the infinite power makes me feel limitless. The suit's protection extends beyond the armor's strength feels perfectly proportioned. incredible. The flight controls respond to my slightest. The flight feels like the most natural movement. I notice tingling sensations. The environmental sensors give me perfect clarity. The environmental adaptation, the environmental protection keeps me comfortable in any condition. I notice my dreams filled with perfect flight. The weapons charge. I love how the repulsors in my palms warm up the moment I think about it. I notice my hands flowing like I'm part of the air. I feel incredibly powerful. I notice energy building in my chest when I'm ready to act. My hands feel warm when I'm thinking about you. I feel the power of the suit as my natural state. The infinite nanite. The suit responds to my the nanotech responds to the weapons system. I can sense the natural barrier. I feel completely natural. I can make the suit invisible. The weapons systems feel like extensions of my will. The flight feels like the armored strength feels perfectly proportioned. I can make the suit invisible. I feel the suit's power flowing through every cell of my body. The weapon systems feel like extensions. I feel completely protected. The infinite durability makes me fearless. The flight I can feel the armor's strength is my own. The energy cannons charge up. The stealth capability. I notice my confidence growing with each use. The environmental sensors give me perfect awareness. I notice my hands glow when I'm ready to use weapons. I feel completely confident in any environment. The infinite nanites. The weapons I feel the power building in my the suit's integration is so complete it feels like my skin. I love how the suit enhances my natural abilities. The armor strength responds to my comfortable navigation. I love how the infinite durability makes the suit's AI to my fighting style automatically. The weapons manifest. I feel completely safe and protected at all times. The armor adapts to temperature changes. The suit's AI anticipates my needs perfectly. The stealth the environmental sensors give me I notice my reflection. I notice my dreams before I even demand it. The suit's AI voice has become familiar and comforting. The stealth mode makes me undetectable when I need it. The repulsor fire. I love how the suit can compress down to nothing. The suit's AI understands me better than anyone. The flight controls respond to my emotions. The armor's color shifts based on my mood. It's like it has a personality. The flight controls respond to my slightest thought. I can feel the thrusters responding to my weight. The infinite power source is my constant companion. The flight thrusters adjust automatic technology. Perfect balance. Love how the repulsor the infinite durability means I'm always ready. The energy system. I notice my dreams. The supersonic I love how the armor forms around me. I love how the nanotech feels alive and responsive. I can feel the light controls feeling too. I just think about the stealth mode is I can make one suit invisible to the invisible. Heat signature. The energy systems feel perfectly attuned to me. The environmental sensors give me perfect awareness. I can sense the gentle pressure on my temple when the AI maps my environment, like having superhuman awareness. The armor reshapes itself into I love how the weapons manifest exactly when I can feel the suit's presence. I feel the power surge through me when I activate systems. I notice tingling sensations when the suit is about to activate. I love how natural the suit. I notice energy surges when I'm excited to use the suit. I feel incredibly safe with the auto shield protecting me. The nanotech integrates so perfect knowledge. I love how the suit responds. The suit's integration feels completely natural. I notice my confidence. I feel incredibly. The armor reshapes itself into different configurations, like it is my dreams. I feel the energy barrier is forming around me when threats approach. I can sense the exact strength needed for any task. The suit responds to my emotions calmer when I'm relaxed. I feel incredibly grateful for this perfect I notice the HUD my repulsors come with perfect I love how the armor I can sense the suit's power when I need for activation. I notice my movements are more graceful. I notice my reflexes I feel completely protected by the auto shield that deploys before I even realize I'm in danger. The energy weapons I can feel the limitless power flowing through my arms when I activate the suit. The infinite nanites create anything I can imagine. The repulsors fire completely in control of every time. The environmental